Good morning, all students. I'm Hussein Khan from Career Point. Today, I have down here with some important questions related Johan Navodaya Vidyalaya. It is Mental Ability Test Entrance Exam 2017. So, without killing time, I want to tell you, if you don't subscribe, then subscribe my channel so you will get more benefits related examinations, as well as comment if you get any kind of problem. So let's start. Section 1, Mental Ability Test, Part 1. Direction. Question 1 to 5. In this flowing four figures A, B, C and D are given. Three are similar in a certain manner. However, one figure is not like to another three. Choose the figures which is different from the test. It means dif- here is four figure is given. One three is similar and one is odd. We have to find odd one. Then let's see. Here is plus and here is equal. It means this is plus, this is equal. I have to see that here is equal in this figure, plus it is not. Okay, leave. Then here plus and here is also plus. Here is equal, here is equal. I will not see all figures, only two figure I will select, any two. I can select two one also, but I have select plus and equal. Here is plus and here is equal. In this figure, here is equal but not plus. Here is plus equal, plus equal, plus equal. It means here is not plus, so it is odd. Question number second. Arrow is given. It is in horizontal line. Arrow is in front, and here is, you can say that it's square. But here see, in here must be arrow, but here is a square, so it is odd. But see, this figure can match by this, but this not. B number answer. Now, question number third. One small square after one more and one more means three square. Here is one triangle, second triangle, and big one is square. It means here is square after two small square. Here is a square after two small triangle. Here is square. Here is also two triangle. But here is square, then circle. Then it means this one is odd. Number 4. One triangle is given. In one triangle, here is two dot. It means it in middle one line given, and here is two dot. But here is also two dot in one side. Here is also two dot in one side. But here see, it's middle one line is given and here is different dot. So it will be odd one. Then number 5. One square, two square, and in middle one small triangle. It means two square after one triangle. Here is one square. It means four line 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, then 3. Here is 1 2 3 4, after 3 then 1. Here is 1 2 3 4, 1 1 2 3 4. Here is also 1 2 3 4. Now then here is, you can see that anyhow here is 4 line 4 line 3 line. Here is 4 line 5 line 5 line. Here is also 4 line 5 line and 4 line. But here is 4 line 3 line 1 line, so it will be odd. Now part 2, direction. Question 6 to, oh, here is also question number 6C. Part 2, question number 6. Question figure is given. We have to find the same figure. Here is the apple. See, C number is correct. You can see very easily this question. 7 number. One line and 1 2 3. Here is not 2, then it's wrong. Here is also not. Here is not. This one will be right. And one thing also I want to tell you, in mental ability test you won't see correct one, you will choose wrong. If wrong you will choose, correct you will get very easily. So see 8 number question very carefully. In 8 number question, figure 1 square, here is 0. See 1 square, here is 0, not cancel. This one also cancel, this one also cancel. Then C will be answer. Because I chosen wrong, I didn't choose right, I select only wrong, what is remain it becomes correct. So C will be correct answer. Now question number 9, figure is given. Question number 9, here is one lips is given. Then see 1 2 3 4, 4 line is given in lips middle. Then see 1 2 3 4 5 6, it's cancel. 1 2 3 4 5, it's also cancel. 1 2 3 4, it's right. What I have done, I chosen wrong. Why? Because right I will get very easily. 10 number question, there is one circle, here is one small circle but it is color. Then we have to see color, here is color, here is color, not, it's cancel. Here is also color, here is also color. Now I will check second. In here there is one round, it means circle but not color. Here is circle, not, it's also cancel. Here is round circle, here is round circle, but see here one part only, but here is two part divided, so it's cancel. Now remain is option number D, it will be correct. Now part third, direction, question 11 to 15. In the question, figure is given followed by 4 alternatives. Select a figure from the 4 alternatives which when placed in the blank. It means here is figure is given, in the blanks what will be we have to fill. In here we have to fill what? Let's see. Then see here is one line, it line will be go in this side, 2 dot, here is also 2 dot, after here is 2 line, 1 line and 2 line. Then C option, the 2 dot 2 dot, 1 line and 1 line, 1 line and 1 line. Option number 1 will be correct. Now 12 number question, here is gap, what figure will come in this side? Then see very carefully. Now a number option, this it means this figure came here, then so it will become in this way, in this way it will become. Then option number A, it's wrong. Option number B, it's also wrong. Now option number C, it's also wrong. Then D will be correct. Now 13 number question, 13 number question, there is one circle, here is gap, what figure will come? Now see here in this way figure will come, in this way, this way will come, it will be round. This one can be, this one also can be, this one also, this one also, but which one will be correct? See here is, and this one it's different, so will not come. This one also different, this one is also different, the here it will become na, for B is correct. Now 14 number question, there is one box, what figure will come here? Then let's see, here is one dot, here is also dot, this figure will come here, this figure will come in A will be very different. Then see carefully, C will be correct, because here is one dot, here is one dot, it will become here, and this one will come in this way, so C will be correct. Now question number 15, question number 15 is given, what will become here? Then one line is given here, then one line will become here. Then option number A, first we will check, this line will come after one dot, but here is not dot, here is small. Then see B number in this one, and here is also, this one is also, B will be correct. Now part 4 is given, 16 to 20 and complete the fourth blank space is given. Choose which one will come here. Then see, here is one. After this one, then question figure, one line, one leaf, then two leaf, after three. Now it will be four leaf. But here is one, including this one will be three. Then after four, here one, two, then here will be three. Then this one see, one, there is not any one here, blank, then one, here two, it means it's become double, then here it will be four, then here three, but here is 1 2 3, here is also 1 2 3, here is 1 2 3 4, and here is 1 2, but it will be 1 2 3, this one will be correct. Number question. Here is given 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now it becomes 7. Then see, it will be not. This one will also not. This one is also not. Then D will be correct answer. Now question number 18. Here is given 1 flowers 2 and 3. Then 1 2 3 4 5. Here 1 2 3 4. Here 1 2 3. Then now it will be 2. Then it's single. Here is 1 2. Then B will be correct. Now 19 number question. Here is circle. It's half. It's also divide 1. Then it will be divide in this one. Then option number A will be correct. Now question number 20. Arrow is given. One small circle is given here. Then it's become 2. Then it's become 3. Now it will be 4. It means here 1 2 3. Then it here will be 4. Then check 1 not, B not, C will be correct. Then for today only 20 question. In next video I will bring lots of question related mental ability test. If you get any problem, then please comment it and watch my video. If you don't subscribe, if you did not subscribe, then subscribe it. Thank you for watching.